Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best fat tire mountain bike of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the Product 1. Sonata Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Sonata Fat Tire Electric Bike for Adults is a versatile and powerful electric bicycle designed for adults seeking an adventurous and efficient mode of transportation. With its 26x4 fat tires, this e-bike is well equipped to handle various terrains, including beaches and snow-covered surfaces, providing riders with a thrilling outdoor experience. At the heart of this electric bike is a robust 1000W motor capable of propelling the bike to speeds of up to 30 mph. The powerful motor ensures a swift and exhilarating ride, making it suitable for both leisurely cruises and more demanding terrains. Additionally, the bike is powered by a high-capacity 48V 17.5Ah battery, providing an impressive long-range capability of 40 to 65 miles on a single charge. This extended range makes the Sonata Fat Tire electric bike an ideal choice for those looking to cover substantial distances without worrying about frequent recharging. The e-bike features a allowing riders to easily adapt to varying terrain and riding preferences. This versatility ensures a comfortable and efficient ride for users of different skill levels. Furthermore, the bike is all certified, ensuring a commitment to safety standards and reliability. Whether you're navigating sandy beaches, snowy landscapes, or simply cruising through urban environments, the Sonata Fat Tire electric bike for adults combines power, range, and versatility to provide a satisfying and eco-friendly mode of transportation for adults seeking an enhanced Product 2. Oraimo Electric Bike for Adults. The Oraimo Electric Bike for Adults is an advanced and versatile electric mountain bike designed to cater to the needs of adult riders. Equipped with a powerful 350W Bafang motor, capable of reaching a peak power of 500W, this e-bike provides a dynamic and efficient riding experience. The inclusion of a 468 Li-ion battery ensures a robust power source, and its 4A3H fast charging capability allows for quick recharges, making it convenient for users on the go. The bike features a 21-speed gear system, allowing riders to easily adapt to various terrains and speeds, enhancing the overall riding flexibility. With a 45-mile range and a top speed of 20 mph, the Oraimo electric bike offers a reliable and efficient mode of transportation for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Designed for comfort, the bike comes with an air saddle to provide a smoother and more enjoyable ride. Additionally, the 26 Mountain e-bike complies with safety standards such as ANSI CAN UL 2849, ensuring that it meets the necessary quality and safety requirements. In summary, the Oraimo electric bike for adults combines powerful performance, efficient battery technology, versatile gear options, and safety compliance to offer a comprehensive and enjoyable electric biking experience for adults. Whether for daily commuting or recreational riding, this e-bike provides a reliable and eco-friendly transportation solution. Product 3. Rattan Pathfinder Electric Bike. The Rattan Pathfinder Electric Bike for Adults is a cutting-edge electric bicycle designed to provide a thrilling and efficient riding experience for users. This e-bike is equipped with a powerful 750W motor, ensuring a smooth and speedy journey. Its 48V15Ah removable battery allows for extended rides and convenient charging. The 26x4 fat tires contribute to a comfortable and stable ride capable of handling various terrains with ease. Featuring an 8-speed transmission, the Rattan Pathfinder offers versatility to riders, allowing them to adapt to different speeds and terrains. The inclusion of a color display enhances the user interface, providing riders with essential information about speed, battery level, and other crucial metrics. With a top speed of 28 mph, this electric bike is well suited for those seeking an exhilarating commuting or recreational experience. One notable feature of the Rattan Pathfinder is its compatibility with a mobile app or various aspects of the bike through their smartphones. This integration adds a layer of convenience and customization to the overall riding experience. In summary, the Rattan Pathfinder electric bike for adults stands out with its powerful motor, removable battery, fat tires, versatile transmission, color display, and app control, making it a compelling choice for individuals looking for a high-performance electric bike for daily commute. Product 4. Product name Freeski Electric Bike for Adults. The Freeski Electric Bike for Adults is a high-performance electric bicycle designed to cater to the needs of adult riders seeking a powerful and versatile commuting or recreational option. Boasting a robust 1000W motor with a peak power of 1500W, this e-bike provides ample power for various terrains and riding conditions. The 48V20Ah battery ensures an extended riding range, making it suitable for long-distance journeys. Equipped with 26 fat tires and a full suspension system, the bike offers a smooth and comfortable ride, making it well-suited for off-road adventures, beach cruising, and mountain biking. The inclusion of a Shimano 7-speed gear system enhances the bike's versatility, allowing riders to easily adapt to different speeds and inclines. With a maximum speed of 33 mph, the Freeski electric bike delivers an exhilarating and fast-paced experience. For those who crave speed and excitement, safety is prioritized. Safety is prioritized with dual hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable and responsive stopping power. This feature is crucial, especially when navigating challenging terrains or traveling at higher speeds. The combination of power, durability, and advanced features makes the Freeski electric bike an attractive option for adults seeking a high-performance electric bicycle for both on- and off-road adventures. Whether it's commuting to work, exploring nature trails, or enjoying a leisurely ride along the beach, this e-bike offers a dynamic and enjoyable experience for riders. Product 5. Product name: Gogol Electric Bike for Adults. The Gogol Electric Bike for Adults is an advanced and versatile electric bike designed specifically for adult riders. Equipped with a powerful 750W Bafang motor, this e-bike provides a robust and efficient propulsion system for a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. The 48V15A larger battery ensures an extended range, allowing riders to cover longer distances on a single charge. One notable feature of the Gogol electric bike is its 26 fat tire design. This not only adds a distinctive look to the bike, but also enhances its performance, especially in challenging terrains like snow, sand, and mountains. The fat tires provide better traction and stability, making it suitable for various outdoor activities, such as beach outings, camping, and mountain biking. The e-bike offers a 7-speed transmission system, allowing riders to easily adjust the speed and adapt to different riding conditions. This feature adds flexibility and control to the overall riding experience, making it suitable for both casual and adventurous riders. With its electric assist capabilities, the Gogol electric bike not only promotes eco-friendly transportation, but also provides an efficient alternative for commuting and recreational purposes. The combination of a powerful motor, larger battery, fat tire design, and multiple speed options makes this e-bike a compelling choice for adults looking for a reliable and versatile electric mountain bike. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.